Hello friends. A fresher mechanical engineer makes the biggest mistake of his life when one wants to make a career in the design field. He starts learning from online tutorials available for free. Friends, if you want to make your career in the design field, then free knowledge will not work for you. You should have industrial knowledge. Only then and then you can make your career in design field. And free knowledge will not give you industrial knowledge. Hello friends, this is Alok Sasane. I am the founder of Fresher Engineering Community. Every year to around 3000 students, I give them guidance on how to enter the design industry and now all my students are earning good salaries by doing jobs in multinational companies. Friends, as soon as this video is over, I am going to talk to you personally on the phone and I am going to tell you the secret mantra, that is how to get a job in design and what will have to be done for it. The knowledge of engineering degrees in industry only gives you an overview. You cannot earn money from your degree. You know the knowledge of some fluid mechanics, drawing and all other subjects, but what do you think? Can you make an industrial project with this knowledge? Can you make a model of IC engine? Not only that, can you able to draw a 3D model of drafting? You have to accept the truth, guys. There is a big misconception of a fresher mechanical engineer that if I learn software, then I become a design engineer. Friends, after learning software, know that you do not become a design engineer. Understand that, tie the knot about which I'm going to talk further. Friends, not only this, even if you learn the command of the software in any institute, still you will not be able to make drawings like this. Whenever you make industrial drawings, it is called industrial skills, and this is exact skill will give you a job. There are many software training institutes available in the market, and in the name of job guarantee, you can learn the command of the software, and after going to an interview, you have to face a rejection. My advice is to stay away from that institute teaching the command of software. You should learn in the institute in which industrial projects are taught. One day is enough for you to learn commands of the software. No one will tell you this truth. And in the name of teaching commands, you can waste more than 1 month. Friends, the same thing happens when you learn by online free tutorials. So my dear fresher engineer, just a certificate of learning by going to the institute will not get you a job. Just as you do not get a job on your engineering degree. Getting a software certificate will also not get you a job. The industry needs an employee to solve their projects. You need to learn those same skills. Friends, listen carefully to me. Why do you do engineering degree? Because you think that I will earn good money by getting this skill, right? In the same way, you have to think that I have to learn industrial skills in software. With this industrial skill, you can earn money throughout your life and not with an engineering degree. Understand this and trust me, guys. If engineering degree used to get jobs, then today many engineers will get jobs. You have to understand why all mechanical engineers do not get jobs, because they do not acquire industrial skills. This is one of the reason. Otherwise, there is no shortage of jobs in industry. You can talk to any successful engineer in the industry and ask them, did you get the job because of your degree, or did you learn the industrial skills, that's why you got the job? I think you have understood my point, and from now on you will not run after free online tutorials, nor will you go to any institute and waste money and time to get a certificate of a software. Friends, understand that the industrial skill of this software will earn you money till lifetime. Industry needs skillful employees and they are looking for you. Don't run after success, that means getting the only certificate. If you have industrial skills, then success itself will keep running towards you. Friends, how did you like this video? And if you have some questions, some queries, then please definitely tell me in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your answer, to your questions. To participate in the upcoming free live webinar, you can register your name by visiting the link given in the description box. If you want to contact me, then you can call or message on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. That's it for today, friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.